So this is the call that we are giving out, and we are supporting Goenkar Against PDA. We have the convener of Goenkar Against PDA over here, and on 6th April there is going to be a public meeting at Azad Maidan. We request the people of Goa to please come out in large numbers to support this and to get back your rights of planning at the grassroots level. The problem in Goa is corruption. So if with corruption you can bypass any law. That is the issue today. So even if we have a good law in place, we will still have to keep a watch on corruption.
If they can bring order into the method of planning, it would actually benefit business more, because business requires a kind of a certainty to function. And we don't see business taking off in Goa if the government keeps forcing something down people's throat and then the people rise up and then it's overturned. Where does business stand? You look at IPB today. I mean, we warned the people 3 years ago about errors in the IPB Act. Government still went ahead. And what happened? They gave permissions within CRZ. That has been overturned. So this is what we mean.
बागाचो दोंगर कापता म्हूण एकदा साल्वार केल्लो, आता तो दोंगर खंय पीडीए खाला पावलो.
We are strongly objecting to this. There is one Baga hill which last time we have protected the hills from the hill cutting, and the same hill has been shown as a one-party settlement and showing the 10 meters road access in plot survey number 253. Now nobody has demanded for the Jesus Retreat Center. Not a single priest has been demanded a Jesus Retreat Center over there at the center of the hill. But there they have shown that Jesus in a 10,000 square meter of a land of Tongira.
परराच्या लोकांकूय पीडीए नाका.
Most of the people don't want PDA. It's only Michael and his wife and the panchayat members, they want PDA. Because they have ulterior interest, they have ulterior motive, business interest.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.